gem on board. So it's all sorted. Sitting where? Come sit here. Sit there. How are you?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Is it fine?
We have with us Mr. Caesar Lakhani, Managing Director, Nakashi, Kanav Arora, Director, Nakashi, Vikram Fadnis himself, Director, Dia Mirza, and Vibhasha Basu. I would first request Mr. Caesar Lakhani to say a few words.
Well, the show was awesome. And, Vikram has done beyond our expectation. I think it's gonna be good night.
Great. Kanav, could you please say a few words?
Yeah, the show was very good. Vikram has created a line that actually I wanted. And, I think this exhibition will go beyond time. I'm very happy.
Thank you so much. Vikram, the collection is wonderful. Can you please say a few words about that?
It was time that I think my brand had to go nationally. Nakashi came my way at Lakme Fashion Week, and this entire collection that you saw today will be available throughout the country.
At Nakashi.
At Nakashi. They will be making the pieces and the production of this entire collection. For me, I needed somebody to back me up and to take me to level 2, and I think Nakashi's done it. This collection was basically, Nakashi means delicate, it means Zardozi, it means Indian ethnic wear. And that's what I tried to infuse. I tried to do a breadth diffusion and a couture line mixed into one. And the entire collection had lots of Gota and Zardozi. Not the colors that are normally expected out of my brand. I had to underplay and undertone the entire collection into maroons, beiges, navy blues and emerald greens. And for me it was a challenge, and I loved doing it. I think it was an awesome afternoon.
Yes, indeed, and we loved it too.
Thank you.
Dia, you look gorgeous. Would you like to say a few things and how you feel in this outfit? Can you all please put your phones on silent?
It's done now, don't embarrass him further. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm very happy to be here. Vikram is a precious friend who over the years has involved me in so many beautiful lines that he has created. And I think today's line was timeless. And I'm very certain that it'll do very well for Nakashi. And I'm very proud of Vikram. I hope that this association goes very far. And I felt beautiful. Thank you, Vikram.
Thank you. Vibhasha, you look stunning. Can you please say a few words?
And I was walking with my friends, so many friends. It was wonderful.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to congratulate Nakashi and Vikram on this beautiful association. The good thing is that, we as actors, we have the, ability to reach out to these designers very easily, and we look pretty with the clothes that they make for us. But for the common man, I guess everybody wants to wear a Vikram Fadnis. So I think the way Vikram is trying to expand and give his talent out to the masses, I think it's brilliant. That's the way to go, because it's definitely going to be a little bit pocket friendly. So people come out here and buy Nakashi, and you will look as beautiful as the people on the silver screen. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We're now open for questions. Any questions?
The two of them worked for you. So is there any thought process or a selection process that you have when you're selecting a muse for your?
I've faced this question a million times before. When you have a showstopper, people say it's all Bollywood oriented, and when you don't have a showstopper, they say you've lost your touch. For me, this is a milestone in my career. It was not a fashion show per se, just a fashion show amongst the 65 shows at Fashion Week. It's level 2 for me and my brand. I wanted someone who I have a relationship over the years, and my relationship with them goes beyond clothes. When Bipasha did this Godrej Synthol Supermodel of the World, I was a part of it when she first came to Bombay to become a model. And Dia and me have been known each other since years.
Can I pull your cheeks on this note?
I love doing that, always.
I just feel they've been a part of my life and I've been a part of theirs. And our relationship genuinely goes beyond clothes and not just, not just being there for one another in times of work. There was no selection process. It was a natural progression. One snowballed into the other, and I just realized that I wanted to present them differently. They were not the typical showstoppers in tonight's show. The whole presentation of both was done so differently, and I just feel that even when they work for you, it's not done on a very superficial and professional level. Their relationship on the shows on the runway, and that's what I think the whole process of having Dia and Bipasha worked for Nakashi.
Dia, this is the month of August. We have September, एक महीना और, and then October is.
उसके बाद नवंबर 2014 में भी 4 महीने बाकी है.
आप सुनिए तो सवाल.
अरे सुनिए तो
मुझे
सवाल.
सवाल पता है.
मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. कोई और है. Kindly in discussion. चलो पूछो पूछो. अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे.
Are you all set to get married? शादी में कुछ ऐसी ही दिखने वाली हो आप?
So cute. और सुंदर लगेगी दिया.
अच्छा.
हाँ 100%.
I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to it. मैं और सुंदर लगूंगी या नहीं वो मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन मैं इतना जानती हूँ कि जब लड़की खुश होती है तो हमेशा खूबसूरत लगती है, और उस दिन तो मैं ज़रूर बहुत खुश होंगी.
Now you've been a model before, and you have a lot of designer friends. Vikram is obviously one. Then you also have other designer friends. So who is the chosen one for the ultimate?
You know, I have always found myself to be in a really tight spot, because the truth is that I do share a wonderful relationship with quite a few designers.
Just do a fashion show on that day. Keep changing.
I can keep changing.
After every 1 hour you change your outfit.
So I've actually left the selection process to my stylist, so that I'm not in the tight spot.
What fabrics have you used in this collection?
The collection has a lot of voile, a lot of tussar georgettes, a lot of nets, and a lot of antique brocades.
My favorite part is the Zardozi.
Yeah, and it had only Gota work and Zardozi.
So congratulations, Vikram, for bringing this era of Nakashi and Zardozi. So what was that which prompted you to just work on this Nakashi and Zardozi?
It's 25 years that I've been in the business of. This is my 25th year, and I'm known for my. Thank you. I'm known for my colors and flamboyance. But I wanted to understate it. I wanted to play something that I've not done before. If I had to take it to level 2, I had to show the difference. And I think the colors and the fabrics that I use show the difference from what I normally do.
And Dia and Bipasha, what made you to just walk the ramp, go together? Whenever there are two actresses on the
They
same
pull each other's
platform,
hair.
there's stories about the catwalk and all that. So how was it like?
You know, it's
Today
really
it was catwalk, no cat fight.
no.
Well, Dia, I have, we have known each other forever. Like when she started off, right from that time.
Used to pull my teeth.
Yeah. So it's like a great equation. I've always loved Dia. She's a wonderful, wonderful girl with a great heart. We don't really hang together much, but every time we meet, there's just a lot of affection and love, and we always keep in touch. And we keep on discussing this, that the actresses can't be friends. We are all normal human beings. We have a heart. We like people. It's just that it's tough as an actor to take friendships back home and invest time in it. That's the only thing. Otherwise, we are very happy to be together.
Bipasha, just the way you said that you guys go back a long way.
Yeah.
So, Dia, would you want Bipasha to be your bridesmaid?
Bridesmaid?
I'm not having a
I am
church
not
wedding.
going to be your bridesmaid.
And Bipasha, आपको सवाल से
I want to come and enjoy. I don't want to do any work.
Bipasha, आपको
One
सवाल
last
से
question,
दूर,
please.
आपको सवाल से दूर भागते जा रही हो. But since
किधर
you
भाग
are
रही हूँ? मैं तो
sitting-
बैठी हूँ.
Since you are sitting with the bride to be, when
Yeah.
can we expect?
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, one last question.
Yeah, one last question.
Yeah,
Rahul
yeah.
Vikram
Yeah.
Designs, please.
Yeah.
Ladies, yes, one thing is our girls will get better and better. So during the wedding, she will be much more glamorous than what she is now. And I've seen that because they have maintained it, and they've maintained it much better than before. So they know what to do.
How
That's what.
sweet.
So my
Thank
question
you.
to you,
Yes,
what
and
is the
secondly
USP of the brand?
is the cost factor.
Yeah, this is a very important thing. Everybody, like I said, like you saw it on the audiovisual, that everybody has this perception that designer labels are very, very expensive. There are people who even fear to open the door and enter the store, thinking that this will, this will the profit margins and designers make a lot of money. I wanted to break this myth, and my association with Nakashi will be a designer brand at an affordable price.
But this is due to production level?
Yes, it's very difficult for a single-handed designer which does not have a corporate backing. I do everything myself. I'm a one-man show. I don't have a family member or business associates who handle my business. And it was time that I had to expand. Everybody wants to grow in life. And I think Nakashi came my way and I grabbed the opportunity. So they will do the production and I'll be creating the masterpiece.
Just one question, one second. Caesar, the USP of the brand, please.
Well, we started in 2006 with manufacturing. By last 2 years, we have launched our brand Nakashi. It doesn't, it is not just what designing and selling a product. We are into quality. We do fine work. We have everything from scratch. We are from designing. We have our own design team also. But Vikram Fadnes is different, and we wanted him because he's based in Ethnic and he's one of my favorites. Now the thing is, the garments and everything will be on a very affordable level to the people, which will be, everybody wants to look beautiful. So here is this Nakashi.
Thank you so much. We'll have a quick photo of them, please. I'll request you all.
Excuse me. पीछे का चेयर हटा लो. करण चेयर. ये जी. So. Yeah, straight up. Yeah, look here. It's just fine, huh? It's just fine. Yeah, look here. Everyone this corner, sir. Thank you.
I request you guys also just to shuffle a bit.
One sec. Yeah. Ek. Yes. Yes. Diya. Vikram sir, everyone, Lily sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
One more. Yeah, look here. One more.
1 second.
Yeah. Photo.